Okay, what are we doing right now?
We're going to wash my hair.
We're going to wash your hair.
So we're using all DevaCurl products. We're going to do the Wash Day Wonder, and it's just pretty much like a co-wash before we actually do the shampoo. And we're doing warm water, and we're going to get her curls all ready and prepped for this wash day. Add a little bit more to the bottom too. I'm going to make sure that her ends don't get too dry. I want to detangle at the same time. Now I'm going to do the low poo from DevaCurl. I really only want to get her scalp because the water is going to help it trickle down to her ends, and I'm not really trying to get her ends like that. She's so pretty. Again, we're going to rinse out with warm water. Lyrik's watching Ryan. Now we're going to do the conditioner. I use a lot for her hair because she's got a lot of hair. Just want to get that moisture in there. I'm going to do each section and make sure I'm detangling at the same time. She doesn't really like this part because we do the cold water. Yes. Kiss TT.
Isn't she